In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a list of the file names and the file path in the folder using the command prompt. As you can see on the screen is the output that I output after I get the result, which I can either output into the txt file, or I can even output it into the CSV file where I can convert it into the Excel if I want to, or if I just want a list of all the name and then the information about the each of the file, then you can also do the same way too. So let's get started. First is to find out where is the folder that you want to list out all the file name and the path associated with the file. So once you found out that folder, you can go up to the bar over here, and then you right click, then you can do the copy address, then you can go into the command prompt, right click and paste. Then you will notice that where your folder gonna be. If it's in a different directory, then you need to change it where it will get the right directory for you. If you just copy the path and paste it, maybe sometime like me right now, I have the C drive. When I try to locate it, the D drive folder. So if I click enter, it's gonna gives you some error. So let's say that I want to change the path. So all I need is just the letter and the colon, and then it will move to that drive letter or the directory. And then if I want to find out what is inside this directory, I can just type in dir, and it will list out all the folder or the file associated with this drive letter. So in this example, we are interested in the test folder. So all you do is cd, which is change directory, to the test folder, and click enter. Now I'm in the test folder, and at this right here, if you're doing the dir, then it will list out all the folder and the file with the information about these. And if you just want these information, then you just doing the dir, and then you want to save it as the let's say that because this is only showing a list of all the file and the information associated with it. So let's say that I'm gonna name it list of file name info, because they have the file name, and then also have the file type and the date and time, whatever that is. And then you want to extract it into either the CSV, or you can do it in the TXT, which is the text file. And when you click enter, it will create a file within this path, and then tell you that this is the list of the all the file name associated with the file, and then the date, time, and all these information. And as you notice, this is only have about 29 file and 4 directory, which means that there will be some of the sub folder of this path. So I want to list out all the file name and the even the file within the sub file folder. Then I'm gonna doing the same thing, but except this time I'm gonna add an additional which means I want anything that under the subfolder as well. So this directory display all the file name as well as the sub file name. So when I click enter, make sure that you change the name of the file so that it not replace or duplicate. So I'm gonna do this one, info 1 maybe, or 2, because it's the second file. So when I click enter, it will generating a different file with the number 2 over here. And if I double click on that, now you will see that it has about 98 file and 8 of the directory, which means there's all the file within the sub folder would also display the name. And now you're gonna asking question like I want to know the path of each of the file. Then this is only give me the name, but I want to have the path. I'm interested in the path of each of the file, as well as the file name included in that path. So it's really simple. We're gonna use the same line of command prompt, but this time we're gonna include one more letter, which is B. And this time it's gonna display all the file path only into a file where you can put it into the Excel or the TXT file. So let's name this as list of file path. And then when you click enter, then there will be a file, the TXT file, list of the file paths. So you double click on that, you're gonna get a list of all the paths associated with all the file. And even in the subfolder, as you can see right here, first is the test folder. After the test folder, there will be a Happy Piano ANR so folder. So and then it's display the file name. And if you want to bring the list of the paths to the Excel so that you can get the not only the path but the name of the file itself, then it's really simple. All you need to do is Control A for select everything, Control Copy, and then you're gonna open an Excel spreadsheet. Do the Control V, all the value will be displayed over here. Then all you need is go up to the top, insert, and then type in the file path. This is going to be the file path, and then you want to separate it out so that you can get the file name itself. So you're going to highlight this, go to the data, go to the text column, then delimited, and then next, and then you go into break these based on the back slash, and then click on the next. And then you don't want to store it into the first column because the first column is going to be the file path. So you're going to change the letter into the B. And then from the column B, you're going to see that it's starting to put out the, this going to be, break it out so that you can doing this one going to be drive letter. This is going to be the drive letter. And then this one going to be the folder. Drive folder, and then this is going to be the file name. So that's all you need to do so that you can break it down and then get a list of all the file name. So that's it for this video. Hopefully that it helped you to know how to generate or get a list of all the file within a folder and then the subfolder, and also some of the detail about how to use the command prompt. I will paste. I will put in all the command prompt needed in the video description so that it will help you to kind of like testing. You can go to your desktop, create a folder, and then you can test out, get the list of it, and put in Excel, play around with it. So all gonna be fun. So hopefully that it helped. If you have any question, leave the comment and I'll answer if when I have time. Alright, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.